Hello, Antonio. This is Ronnie Velasquez, and I am going to show you very quickly how to create those graphs that you are looking for. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into CRMLS and you're going to go into Matrix. So this is the MLS system. All right. And I hope that you have access to the MLS system. So once you go into Matrix, you're going to click on the button that says Access the CRMLS Matrix right here. And then once you go there, you're going to go into links. I'm going to show you where that is in a second. You're going to go into links right here. And once you go into links, you're going to go down to InfoSparks right here, InfoSparks. You're going to click on InfoSparks. And here from InfoSparks, you can create pretty much any data that you want, okay? So, for example, if you wanted to know properties sold or values of properties in different areas, etc., what you want to do is you want to click on Add an Area right here. And then you can enter a city. For example, I'm going to say Buena Park in this case. You can do Buena Park, for example, that's where I live. And then it's going to give you all this data here. And then you have all these buttons right here in the bottom where it says new listings, active listings, pending sales, closed transactions, total closed sales, closed volume, days on the market, show per listing, shows per contact, median average values, original percentage of original price, which means how much is sold from the original sales price. So if it's sold higher or lower, percentage from last price. That means once if it changed price, how is before and how is now. Price per square feet and month supply. So you have all this data here, and then you can do it on a 5-year interval, 3-year interval, or 1-year interval. So typically, what I do is year to year, and then you can do your graph either monthly or rolling 3 months. Typically, I do monthly, and you can do it as a line or you can do it also as a bar. But I think lines work better for what you're trying to do. So, for example, if I were to click here and we're looking at Buena Park, but you can also do like a zip code, because if you want to do a specific area, you may want to do like a zip code, right? So 90620, right? That's the zip code right there. And then you go here to where it says, for example, close sales, yeah. And then you have this graph here of the closed transactions, right? But if you want, for example, sales price, you can see here the sales price. And this graph here, the red one is the MLS, and then the blue one is the one for Buena Park, for the zip code right here, right? Or actually backwards. The red one is the one for Buena Park, and then the blue one is for the MLS, right? So, and then you can select also type of properties: residential, single families, detached. You can do a lot of data from here. All right. But in this case, I'm just making it really, really simple so you can see. And then, so you have, for example, the average price, the sales price, right? And then you can do it, like I said, for a year, right? And then with this chart here, you can go to your snipping tool. You should have in your computer something called a snipping tool. And what you do is you take a picture basically of a certain area. So you can do something like this, right? So this is, if you want charts, this is the easiest way to get charts done. There are other ways to do it, like you can export data from the MLS and you can create a chart in Excel. But this is by far the easiest way to do it. So let me know if this works for you, if this is what you're looking for. Um, Look at these prices here, year to year, in Buena Park. In February, the average sales price was 750, and then 835, and then it dropped to 770. This is probably last year when the interest rates started going higher or something. You see, August 2022, and then the prices went up to 750. Then they dropped to 725, 755, and now they're back at 765. It's just kind of a crazy graph right there. Okay, so this is all the data that you have. Price per square feet. You can do price per square feet also. That tells you what the price per square foot is being the area for, for the last year or so. And then you can take a picture, and then you can put it on pretty much any type of flyer that you want. Now, another way to do charts is you can do charts in Canva. you can go to Canva and you can put charts, and then you can create any chart that you want. Okay, but you would have to put the data manually. Okay, so but you can create any chart you want in Canva. And some of the designs are free, so you don't need to pay for that. There's some designs that are free. Anyway, so I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm here to help you and support you in any way I can. I'll talk to you soon.